Welcome to the screencast where I'm going to show you how to download and install the application for the Mac for the wireless card that you'll be using for the Milwaukee Digital Media Conference at the end of the month. Here on our main page we put a direct link to the actual file you're going to download. So first you're going to click download and a window should pop up asking if you want to open the download directly or if you want to save it to disk. I'm going to choose to save it to disk and hit OK. And it has now downloaded, or may take a little while for you to download, to your downloads folder, or specifically wherever you set your downloads to go. I'm going to minimize my window here. I'm going to go into my Macintosh hard drive. And when I go into my Macintosh hard drive, this is where my downloads folder is, and this is probably where your file has gone to. So when I look in there, I see that the name of the file was Mac OS Sierra. The wireless card we're using from Sprint is called Sierra. It's a zip file. I'm going to go ahead and double click that. And what happens when I double click that is the zip program unzips all the files into a folder. They put the folder in the same location. So you'll see that a folder popped up here. I'm going to open that folder. And in here we have a PDF that has some different instructions. If you need those, you're welcome to view those. Otherwise, you can double-click this zip file, which will open up the package, which has all the files and installation information in it. Here's the package file now. It's all unpacked, and I'm just going to double-click this to run the program. The Sierra Wireless Watcher Lite is going to walk you through how to install it, so I'm going to continue. It's asking where you want to install, so I'm going to choose my hard drive. Continue. I'm going to install. At this point, depending on your computer, you may have to enter a password. And here it goes. It's installing. It's finishing. It says click restart to finish installing the software. And you would click restart. Okay, I've gone through the restart after I installed the Sprint Sierra wireless card, and so now that I've gone through the restart, my computer's come back up, but I have to actually launch the program. So to do that, I'm going to open a Finder window. I'm going to go into my applications, and what I've done to my computer right now is I have connected the wireless card to a USB port on the side of my Mac. If you plan on using your other USB port, you can use the little extension cord so that your other port isn't blocked by the ginormous wireless card. So here we are in the applications menu. I'm going to go down and look for Sierra, which is right here, Sierra Wireless Watcher. I'm going to double click, and that's going to launch the program that's going to connect to the card. And right now it says that it is disconnected. And I'm going to click connect, and I'm getting a little green blinking light on my card, and it shows as it starts to keep track of time here, and it shows what bytes are being processed. This shows that I am connected, so if I launch one of my browsers, I should see that something comes up. So let's test this out, see if this works correctly. Looks like it is searching right now, and we are connected. Says it's loading, and there's my email, which you guys don't need to read. So that is how you connect, and when you're done, you do click disconnect before pulling the wireless card out of the USB port, and you will do the same process. You'll just have to plug it in and launch the program the next day or the next time that you need to connect. So hopefully this has been very helpful. Feel free to watch it again if you need to, and we will talk to you later.